Happy good day everyone. My name is Kenneth J. Piquet from BSBA MM2H. For this video presentation, family tradition. We all come into this world alone, that we live this world alone. This is sometimes we beat throughout our lives, but if we investigate this statement, we find a very different really. Since we are all birth through the body of woman. Who join with the body of man, no one interested in the world alone. Later we call those man and woman as our mother and father, those adding news in the existing family, which on a large scale forms the human society. After our society is built on limitless interaction among human beings. And human beings are capable of act with endless varieties. The social life will be confusing in the absence of social partners, and they provide guidelines in the form of values and notes. This tradition family values frequency, show more content of health writing need. This all has turned us to become more central and as we ever do. Values that point and collective goals. The old family concept of collective happiness, cheering and supporting each other slowly being ablished from society. A good example of this process in the fact and respect and obedience has lost its ground which leaded was an important quality of children to learn and home. While on the other side independence has gained. Thank you.